010 Quebec, coming departing to the southwest, direct out of the pattern.
What is that?
That is, I have no freaking idea. What the heck is that?
Yeah, bud,
Is that a drone?
Good call. Son of a bitch, that was a drone. We're at 4,500 feet.
The freaking A, man.
Good catch.
What the heck is he doing up here? I don't like that.
Wow. Where the hell are we? Wonder if you can mark that somehow.
I wish. There's...
Grab that. Let's get
What?
the iPad. I'm
Yep.
going to circle this area. We're going to call up Columbus. Columbus approach, Cherokee 5304 Lima.
Cherokee 5304 Lima approach.
5304 Lima, we're 22 miles to your southeast, southwest, 4,500 with a, like to report a close encounter with a drone, actually at our altitude above the school. We're circling now.
Okay, just confirm you one more time. You're about 15 miles southwest of Rickenbacker.
Actually, from Rickenbacker, we are about 13 miles to the southwest.
All right, 04 Lima, roger that. Roger, we'll report that for you, and we appreciate it. Do you have a color, anything at all for us?
It was a red reflective color, and it was at 4,500.
Roger.
Dude, that was up.
That was way too freaking close.
04 Lima, you guys still with me here?
Affirmative, 04 Lima.
Okay, I guess what we need to know is, you said it was a red color. You said it was around 4,500 feet. Any other stuff you can tell me about it?
It appeared to have a small light on it. It was a red domed shape with a white base, and actually within about 400 feet of us.
Okay, roger that. 04 Lima, did you guys have to do any evasive maneuver for it?
Yes, we did. Affirmative. We had to about 45 degrees left turn.
It was headed north.
And the drone was headed north approach.
All right, 04 Lima, roger that. We're going to run that paperwork through the masses here, and we appreciate your report there.
Thank you. We're going to change frequency, 04 Lima. Thanks.
I appreciate your report, sir. Thank you very much for that.